How you going? It's Stu from Jimy Tools. Okay, all you farmers and field service technicians out there, today I'm going to take you through our 357 piece 5-drawer field service box. Comes in white and in black, contains around 357 pieces, and it's set out beautifully for field service work, for farming, for having on the back of the ute, and generally making your life easier on the land. Built like a brick, and we've been selling them for years and they last the test of time. Excellent quality little field service kit, and I'll take you through all the dimensions and all the tools you're going to get in it now. So the empty box, she measures up at a width of about 900. She sits up at about 570 and has a depth of about 550. It's got a full wraparound lid, so this thing will actually come down, cover all your drawers, stop weather from getting into your drawers and soaking all your tools. So you just unlock it, rip it open. It's got 2 gas struts up the top there. Good workspace at the top there too. You can fit some bigger gear. The drawers are on roller bearing slides. They're ultra heavy duty roller bearing slides. They'll hold 66 kilos worth of gear per drawer. And you know, you're going to be hard pressed to ever get 66 kilos into one of these drawers anyway. They're really well engineered. Like I said, we've been selling them for a long time. All around Australia. Excellent little ute box. So you got the loops on the side here. You can fork or you can sling them through. As you can see, there's very little gap anywhere for any water to sort of get in. A really safe sort of unit when it comes to security as well. It's a 1.2 mils thickness. You've got a couple of gas struts up the back there to make it all smooth. And you've got some really nice roller bearing slides in here. As I was saying, these roller bearing slides will handle 66 kilo a pair. So that's 66 kilos per drawer. And you got 5 drawers there. Your top drawer, it's a bit shallower than the bottom 4 drawers. So you've got a space underneath here where you'll probably get the forks underneath there, and it promotes airflow as well. So after it's rained, it's gonna have plenty of airflow through there to be able to dry out. So toolbox has got a locking mechanism on this front section here. It opens on a 45-degree angle, as you can see. And that's how she opens. It's got a good set of gas struts on both sides. You've got a good area up the top here that can hold a fair bit of gear. Full-length butterfly hinges. So in this top section here, we have 3 different blow mold cases. Your first one's got your metric deep impact sockets. They go from 10 mil to 24 mil. Your second one here has got a really good set of crimping pliers with a bunch of different attachments and an excellent quality cutter. They're a ratcheting set of crimping pliers there. And you've also got this lithium ion rechargeable soldering iron. It's got 4 different attachments, and all the people that have bought these so far reckon they're excellent units. You got this great little LED torch. These are a handheld unit, they're magnetic. You can also adjust the base there as well. Offer really good lighting. They are adjustable for light as well, so really bright to, you know, quite a low light. So in our top drawer, we've got all of our deep sockets in 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. We've got 2 sets of crow's feet, 1 metric, 1 imperial. The metric goes from 10 mil to 19 mil. The imperial goes from 3/8 to 3/4, and they're 3/8 drive. You also got your 375 mil, your 300 mil, your 200 mil and your 150 mil adjustables. Excellent set of metric and imperial Allen keys and your long torques, and also a 38 piece bit set up the back there. Into the first of the deeper drawers, and you got your 96 piece socket tray. So you got 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive sockets, a bunch of different extensions ranging from 50 mil up to 150 mil. Then you got your 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive breaker bars there. 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive uni joints. You got some adapters here, so you got 3/8 to 1/2, 3/8 to 1/4 and 1/2 to 3/8. Your 1/2 inch sockets go from 8 mil to 32 mil. Your 3/8 sockets go from 9 mil to 19 mil. And your 1/4 inch go from 4 mil to 14 mil. In your imperial, your 1/2 inch goes from 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch. 3/8 goes from 3/8 to 13/16. and your 1/4 inch goes from 5/32 to 1/2 inch. Got a great set of robust circlip pliers here. These have got an anti-rust coating finish and stainless fitting. Into your next deep drawer here, we've got our metric spanners. So this is our 24-piece metric spanner EVA tray. Excellent quality spanners. We've been running these same spanners for most of the time Jimy has been around, which is about 28, 29 years. 15-degree offset, chrome vanadium, high polish finish, full lifetime replacement warranty. Got a 4-piece plier set, so you've got side cutters, long nose and linesmans. And then you've got a great set of mini bolt cutters. These are super popular and they will just go through anything, make your life super easy. Down now to the Imperial spanner tray, goes from 1/4 inch down to 1 1/4. Same quality spanners as we have in the metric, and a great quality high density foam EVA tray. Got a little empty spot here where you can put your nuts and bolts, things like that. Then you got 8-piece go through screwdriver set. So you got Phillips and flat. Great quality set of go-through screwdrivers. They're hexagonal shaft, and as you can see, that Japanese S2 quality steel goes all the way through. You also got an 8-meter tape measure. So in here you got a 5-piece file set. You got a hacksaw, 32 ounce and 16 ounce ball peen hammers, 1500 gram club hammer, 4-piece pick set, 5-piece extendable mirror and pickup tool with magnets. Got a 10-piece pin punch and cold chisel set there, and a 600mm pry bar across the back. So as you can see, all fits extremely well in this beautiful toolbox, and they are an excellent quality, robust toolbox that's going to go on the back of your ute, field service vehicle, and give you access to just about everything you need to get most of the jobs done. So that's your Jimy Tools 357 Magnum toolbox. As you know, we're an Australian family-owned business, been going longer than 28 years. We ship these things all across Australia, no problems at all. We can do these things on 24 months interest-free. All it means is you get to have this toolbox sent out to you and you pay it off either weekly, fortnightly or monthly over that 24-month period. You can pay it off quicker without penalties if you want. Our hand tools come with a full lifetime replacement warranty, and from time to time the contents of this box might change slightly just due to availability of some stock or long extensions on back orders and things like that. If you're ever in doubt, give us a call on 08 8269 9700 or check our website, and in the product you'll have the latest update of all the tools that are in this box. So thanks very much for watching. Hit us up with comments in the comments section down below. If you're watching on YouTube, just hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you're liking what you see. You can check out these field service boxes and a whole bunch of others on our website, which is just jimytools.com.au. Excellent quality website. She's running real smooth as we speak today. Thanks very much for watching.